Hi, today we create this video. Tutorial very friendly beginner. I show step by step how to create this awesome video. Check my channel, I have a more cool tutorial. Let's start. Select all, delete, create cylinder, rotate Y19, S, X, 10, tab, select both face, and delete. Create UV sphere and scale X-axis. Now create particle system, hair, render, select object, and choose UV sphere. Click object rotation. And now if we rotate UV sphere, particle react. Particle number increase 2000. Create camera. X direction 19, Y 0, Z minus 19. If you want scale sphere, go first frame, set keyframe, go to end frame, and play with rotation, scale if you want. I set keyframe. Okay, let's see what we have. Nice. We get really good result. Now select camera. We want animate focal length. Click E, insert keyframe 15, move 125 keyframe, insert 200 millimeter. Go to end frame and 15 and insert keyframe. Let's see what we have. Good. Now select cylinder, Shift D, grab and move X-axis. Now we create icosphere. Subdivide 5. Move X-axis. Create new modifier. Displays. Create new. Choose your texture type. Shade smooth. Insert keyframe E. Again, insert keyframe. Change transform rotation, X, Y, and Z. A little bit scale. If you want more interesting look, create another modifier, wireframe. I think good for me. Create another icosphere, subdivide 3 and scale down. Create new material, emission, add new modifier, wireframe, change thickness, animate small UV sphere, insert keyframe, let's see how look like. Very dark. We need create more light. Now create plane, Shift A, scale 2 time, rotate Y 19, move X axis, create new particle system, particle number 5000, frame start 120, lifetime 80, create icosphere, subdivide 1, choose object, turn off gravity, change velocity, Z axis, create new material, emission, change particle size, add scale random, create circle, scale, rotate Y 19, tab, X, add modifier solidify, add new modifier array, change direction, write count maybe 5, select cylinder, click hash, change circle color, insert keyframe, go to last frame, change color, and again insert keyframe. Now look. Very good. Now click Alt H. Select sphere and experiment with color. Choose what you like. Select small icosphere and change material to same circle material. We need both cylinder be same color. Change world color black. Go to render settings, choose GPU, turn on the noise, max sample 215, light path. If you want, turn on motion. I choose 4K resolution, frame rate 24. Choose output place and I recommended file format PNG. That's it. Render animation. Thanks for watching and don't forget like, subscribe and check my channel. Maybe you found what you need. Now I say bye.